Let's talk about what Walker Kessler can bring para sa Los Angeles Lakers, kung saan gumawa sila ng massive off-season statement with a blockbuster sign-and-trade deal to acquire 25-year-old center from the Utah Jazz. Binigay sa kanya ang 4-year, $130 million contract, tas nag-surrender sila ng future draft capital para makompleto ang pag-move forward on building around superstar Luka Doncic. Ang primary appeal ni Walker Kessler is his elite shot blocking and paint protection. According to analytical metrics, Kessler ranks in the 99th percentile in block percentage. Yung mga kalaban is yung scoring nila sa ilalim is nasa lower rate kapag nasa loob ng floor si Kessler, giving the Lakers the true interior defensive anchor they have missed. On offense naman, he is efficient around the rim or sa mga close range area. He converted 68% of his 2-point attempts in 2026, 67.6% ng 2025, 67.6% ng 2024. Though kahit wala siyang true isolation skill set, he can finish at an elite level kapag binigyan mo ng pasa na malapit na sa basket. Tsaka yung isang driver kaya mataas yung rate niya sa paint is yung kanyang offensive rebounding capability. He excel at creating second chance opportunities. Meron siyang knack for snatching missed shots and putting immediate pressure back on the rim is nagbibigay sa team ng offensive efficiency. In terms of weakness naman, free throw shooting remains a major flaw in Kessler's game. Nasa 50% lang siya from the line in his first 4 seasons. Pero last season, 70% kasi konti lang naman yung nilaro niya. Hindi yun yung totoong sample size. Pwedeng mangyari is mawala pa siya sa clutch moments kasi na-targetan siya ng defense to foul and make sure na mga walang end one. Another weakness sa kanyang game is yung kanyang low post scoring. Nung time niya sa Jazz, pag nag-a-attempt sila to dump the ball in the post for isolated touches, yung offensive production degraded rapidly. Na-achieve niya kasi yung kanyang elite status sa mga rolling, cutting, putbacks, and screen setting. Question din sa kanya is yung mental toughness and demeanor kasi maraming times nung nasa Jazz pa siya is yung kanyang perception of soft play. Si Will Hardy is naging frustrated na baka hindi niya matap yung kanyang full potential with that. Kasi may mga tendency siya to let opponents challenge him or score big dunks occasionally na nag-impact ng kanyang confidence. Though mukhang magbabago lahat ng weakness niya with his pairing kay Luka Doncic. From a tactical standpoint, Kessler projects as a seamless partner kay Luka. He is the high-flying rollman, provides a reliable lob target while occupying interior defenders. Tsaka sa Jazz, nakita rin yung kanyang short roll passing ability. Meron siyang vision pag nasa ball movement, so he can locate shooters on the wing. Ang kailangan ni Kessler is to accept na nandito na siya sa isang high-pressure contending team, unlike na ilang taon siyang rebuilding situation. He needs to mature kasi meron kang long-term contract. Andyan na yung tools for meaningful wins. Build your mental resilience. And I know malaki yung pressure kasi post-LeBron era, but this is what you want all along. Bukod sa on-court breakdown, meron siyang engaging personality na minahal ng Jazz fans. Kaya prime candidate ito to become a fan favorite sa Lakers arena. Ayun, Walker Kessler gives the Los Angeles Lakers an elite rim protecting, offensive rebounding, and lob-catching threat who perfectly complements their elite playmaking guards. The system just needs to avoid perimeter or post-up overextension. Kessler has the tools to solidify LA's defense and anchor their front court for the years to come. And that's all for this video. Let me know all your thoughts kay Walker Kessler sa comment section below. I will now step back. Bye-bye!